How to reply to a comment on Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can reply to a comment on Instagram story. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. From your home page, navigate to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, now tap on your profile at the top left corner to view your story. So this is your story. Once you're here, now swipe up a bit and there you will have all of the comments on your story. Select the comment that you want to reply, then tap on reply next to that comment. And here now you can reply to this comment. Once done, tap on send. And now you have replied to this comment. And that's it. That's how you can reply to a comment on Instagram story. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.